Do you believe the Vice President should explain, or were you at least curious with what has come out in the House hearings of names that were in the receipts, like Mary Grace Piatos, names of fruits? People, didn't you think as a senator that there were possibilities of corruption in that whole process?
Yung mga pangalan na Chippy McDonald, Miggy Mango, gagawa na lang kasi ng katarantaduhan itong si BP Sara, abay kinatamaran pa.
As former Senate President, we had access. They always give the Speaker of the House and Senate President access to all these confidential funds. So much so that I opened it up to Senator Risa and Senator Coco and to my colleagues who wanted to see all these documents. Because pumuputok na yan wala pang away, wala pang gulo yung Marcos Duterte. According to the intelligence community, according to people who are actually using confidential funds, they never put the actual names because of the idea that it's confidential. But my point being is, why just single out her? Let's get rid of the fund for everybody else. Because maybe we should look into this deeper. Maybe the ombudsman should look into this deeper. Not only to the Vice President, to the President.
Tama yun. Hindi lang naman dapat kay BP Sara kung halimbawa yung mga senador, congressman, may mga ganyan, abay dapat managot din sila. Yan pa, si President Marcos, napakarami, bilyon. Idagdag nyo pa dyan, yung sinasabing insertion niya na 100 billion. Grabe ang nakawan.
But also to everyone else who has confidential funds from Apari to Holo in all the local government units, Karen. I know them saying this. I might be ostracized by and vilified by my friends in the local government units, but it's true. They have confidential funds in...
Ganito katalamak ang nakawan sa Pilipinas.